Unboxing. Gifts na na-receive ko nung debut ko. Start tayo sa mga gifts ng classmate ko. And ang una ko nahablot is kay yan. Hello. Uy! Feeling ko necklace to. Okay. Earrings. Mio, tingnan mo. Ang cute. Sana ito pala yung, bagay siya sa dress ko nung blue. Diba? Thank you. Sunod. Kay PV. Ito ang laki ng kay PV. Sheesh. Magulat ako. Pinigay niya sa akin. Ay, nabuksan ko na pala to. Pinakita niya sa akin. Stuffed toy. May ganito rin si Erin. Kulay green. May letter pa. May pa-letter pa si Idol. Okay. Yung mga iba pala dito. Nabuksan ko na. So, ito yung kay Karel. Yan. Sa mascara. Thank you. May pa-letter pa si Tilio. Sheesh. Okay. Gumawa pa siya ng art. Pininturahan niya to. Legit ba? Parang oo. Oo. Pininturahan niya. Self-made card. Thank you. So sweet. Very sweet. Hand-painted card. Okay, Next! Kay Ash. Oh my gosh. Si Sure Thing. Hi, Sure Thing. Eto, may idea na ako kung anong laman nito. Sabi niya wings eh. Nag-speech siya nun. Tapos sabi niya wings related something. Keme. Ano to? Oh! Matching na kami ni Ash. It's hair boat. Anong tawag dito? Hair accessory. Nagandahan. Oh my gosh, naalala ko. May ganito rin si Ash. Sabi ko, ang ganda. Sabi ko, may ganito rin ako. Maliit. Yan, matching na kami ni Ash. Pagpasok sa school. Yay. Thank you. May isa pa eh. Kita. Ay! Alam, may isa pa. Dalawa yung gift niya. Wow. Tama ko. Necklace na. Purple siya. Focus. Thank you. Next. Ito. Kay Miko. Bench. Tama ba? Kay Miko to. Oo. Mik. Nickname ka sa kanya. Wala akong makita na in-stocks. Kaya ito na lang, hehe. Happy birthday, Gigi. Our nickname sa isa't isa. Okay. Uy! Makaleni. At hindi. Thank you. Thank you, Mix. Ito. Next. Kay Heather. Nabuksan ko na to. Pero nagsilip lang ako. Yun. It's Shring! A bracelet. Daisy! Paano niya alam Daisy? members. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Ah, ito, okay. Yay! Nahanap ko na. Hi, Erin. Gift ni Erin. Ano kaya to? Uy! Cardigan! Uy! Yes! Cardigan. Yay! Cute. Suotin ko to bukas. Bukas sa school. Nice! Love it. New clothes. Thank you! Eto, kay Daddy to. Kasi pinapabukas niya sa akin kaagad. So, binuksan ko na siya nung nandun ako sa depot. Tapos, Instax film, which is nandun na nakalagay sa camera. So, thank you, Daddy. Next! Ito yung kay Sophia. Pia. XOXO. This is ako. Hair access. Headband. Yan. Go. So cute. Yung dalawang, yan. Red and blue. Bowtie. Ay, hair accessory. Yes. Tapos, may isa pa, which is yung notebook na tinutukay ko. Very cute, very nice, minimal. Yes. Thank you, Sophia. Next, ito na yung pinakamalaki. Of everything. Which is this one. Toys R Us. It's from Gio Masangkay. Sheesh! Classmate ko pala to. Akala ko sa mga tita ko. Classmate ko pala to. OMG. Aww. Oh, sweet. Oh my gosh. Wait. I see it. Look. It's, ano tawag dito? Pillow. Yay, madami na akong pillow. Tsaka stuffed toy. Thank you, Gio. Next. Gift ni Andre. Andre ba? Tama. Gift ni Andre. Ano ba matabuksan? Ooh. It's bag inside a box. And, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Aalagaan ko to. Parang ayoko nga buksan. Natatakot ako. Baka maano ko. Thank you, Andre. Next. Oh my gosh, kay Ethan. Kay Ethan. Hi, Ethan. Ito yung gift mo. Nung una, akala ko alak to. Mukha siyang, lalagyan na ng alak, mga Jack Daniels. Tapos, it's scary. Salt lamp siya. Salt lamp. Ayoko na siyang ilabas kasi baka masira ko pa siya. Thank you, Ethan. Pero thank you. Ay, wala na. Ayaw na siya kumasya. May amoy ba yung salt lamp? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Ethan. Next! May isa pang gift. Pero nabuksan ko na siya. May isa pang gift. Pero nabuksan ko na siya, which is this one. It's Daisy necklace. See? Like, ang dami nakakaalam na Daisy yung favorite kong flower. Tapos, so this is one. Ito siya. Daisy necklace. From James. Si James. Tapos, eto. This one. Suot ko na siya. Kasi ang ganda eh. Yung necklace, Daisy. Ito naman, tulips. Tulips. White tulips. So, thank you, James. Thank you. Kanina ko pa siya suot. Next! Yung problema dito sa mga ibang gifts, hindi siya nakapangalan kung kanino nanggaling. So, hindi ko alam kung kanino siya nanggaling. Katulad nito, wala siyang, kung kanino man to, thank you man. Buksan natin. Feeling ko hindi na to sa classmate ko. Let's see. Baka may letter sa loob. Damit. Damit ba? What's this? Lunchbox? Bag. Bag lang. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. May siya. Sino ba ito? Ay, hindi. Ay, hindi ko pala. Sino ba ito? Thank you. Kung kanino man to. Eto. Kay Nikki. Nikki. Uy! Uy, ang cute! Ang ano, parang... Ano, ang tawag dito? Yung pang facial wash. Para hindi yung ano, yung... Uy, thank you. Thank you, Barbs. Ano? Gano'n? Wow! Sabay, may humabol. Thank you, Ate Barbs and Kuya. So, anyway, balik kay Nikki. It's, ang tawag dito? Headband. Pero rin siyang blur powder. It's, sheesh. No, number 1 and number 2. Ay, ang cute! Eyeshadow. Very pretty. 1, 2, 3. Meron pa. PNB. No harm. Love it. Thank you, Ate Nikki. Uy, it's a bag. Really? Bag, ano siya? Purse pala, purse. Uy, ang ganda ng purse. Sheesh. Ito na yung gagamitin ko pang school, Ian. Thank you. Panis. Next. Chris Ian. Yay. Sabi ni Ian, from what I remember, binili niya daw to kasi naalala niya ako. Ata. Or, I can't remember. Tingnan natin. It is. Next. Nakakapagod pala. Next one. This one. It's a brown paper bag. Wala ulit siyang name. Sayang. Thank you po. Kung kanina naman to. It's... Ay, ito ba yung kay Just? Feeling ko kay Just to. She said... Oo, kay Just ba to? Look, it's a beach hat. Yay. Panis. Donya. I think kay Just to. Kasi nung nag-speech siya, sinabi niya kaagad ano laman ng gift. Sabi niya, itong gift ko sa'yo, hat. I'm not sure if... Just if sa'yo to, thank you. Oh, nalagyan ng chocolate. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you, Jazz. If sa'yo man to, Jazz. Thank you kung kanina naman to. Next. Eto. Eto. Walang name. Ha? Nasa loob? Okay. Ay, hindi. Wala eh. Ah, okay. My name. It says, this is from Tita Carol. This is from Tita Carol. It's a Mickey Mouse tote bag. Love it. Ay, tote bag ba siya? Oo, tote bag. Thank you, Tita Carol. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Okay. Next. Ah. This is from Lolo. Hi, Lolo. Si Lolo may gift. Ang cute naman. Ano y- like, naisipan niya talaga bumili siya ng gift para. Ayan o. Lolo. Thank you, Lolo. And it's... Ooh, what is this? Interesting. Uy, ano to? It's chinelas. Chancla. You know, chinelas in Spanish is chancla. Ay, tama ba? Yes. Kasya ba? Sukatin natin. Okay. Oh my gosh. Sakto. Sakto lang. I love it. Comfortable siya. Okay. Hindi lang to. May isa pa siyang gift. Which is this one. What is this? It's a dress! Ah! Blue dress! Dark blue dress. Hindi niregaluhan niyo ako ng team ko. Dark colored. May isang black, tas isang dark blue dress. See? Very pretty. Ganitong dress mga bet ko. Paano alam ni Lolo yun? Thank you, Lola. Formal. Uy, baka yun na lang ano ko sa ano. Sa next debut. Attendan ko. Yun na suotin ko. Thank you, Lola. Thank you, Lola. Ayan, pati. Next! Ito, kay Tita Mayumi, Aqua Flask. Yes. Magenta. Uy, ang ganda. Panis. Thank you, Ate Michelle and Tita Mayumi. Next one. This one, malaki rin. This is from Tita Christy. Okay. Next one. Ito wala siyang name. So kung kanino man to, ba't di kaya naglagay ng name? Charot. But it says, ano sabi niya? Get inside, requires no assembly, just enjoy. Ayan na, ayan na. Beat drop. Ooh! Oh, makeup ulit! Love it! Kanino to nanggaling though? Yan, my foundation. And then my liquid foundation ulit. And then my, ano to? Foundation! Powder foundation ulit. Love it. Tapos, ayan. Blush na. Thank you. Thank you. Package. Package siya. Thank you. Kung kanino man ito. Wait. Yan. Kung kanino man to, wala siyang name. Pero thank you. Ito, galing kay Mami. Galing kay Mami. Sabi niya, it's a bag. It's a bag. Tapos, ay, may isa pa. Ay, pang ano tawag dito? Pang dalaga. Oo. Ayan, need ko to kasi palagi magulo yung room ko. Pinalilinis. Thank you. Thank you, Mami. Next. Ito, maliit. Ang cute. Kung kanino man to, ang cute. Si Ashley from Onciano. May Ashley from Lasal and then Ashley from Onciano. Yan. Ang liit, ang cute. I like it. I'm so excited. Feeling ko, ano kaya to? Handkerchief. Hindi, box siya eh. Earrings. Baka earrings. Ewan ko. Ayan, like, sinisecure talaga nila yung paper bag para hindi mahulog yung gift. So, kailangan ko siyang, tawag dyan, ayusin. Love it, guys. Para hindi manakaw. Ay! It's definitely jewelry. Feeling ko jewelry. Oh! Ooh! Cute diamond heart. Sa diamond heart. Ano to? Pero ano siya? Bracelet siya. Bracelet. Thank you! Dito ko muna siya. Baka kasi wala ako. Dito ko muna siya. And then, this one is... Ooh! Ang cute na ito. What is this? Pantali. Pantali siya. Love it. Tapos may... Sheesh! Ooh! It's a daisy. Ang dami nakakaalam daisy yung favorite ko flower. Daisy necklace. Ay! Daisy rin to. Daisy necklace. Ang galing! Paano nila alam favorite flower ko yun? Yan. Daisy. Thanks, guys. Ang sweet nyo naman. Love it. Thank you, Ash! Okay. Next. Eto, wala ulit siyang name. Pero kung kanino man to, thank you. And it is... Ay, mahulog! Meron pa sa loob. This is... Ano to? It's a dress! Black dress! Ang galing! I like it. Tiyaw mo. Ano to? Galing siya. Zara. Galing siya sa Zara. Alas, kanino to? Thank you! Ang ganda mo. Okay. Diba? Thank you! Feeling ko kay to. Nanggaling sa mga Onciano classmate ko dati. I'm not sure. Uy! May letter nga. Okay, malalaman ko pala kung kanino to. Tapos, sa paper bag na yun, may ganito pa. Ano to? Beauty made easy. It is... Buksan natin. Feeling ko blush. Ouch! Wala akong kuko. What's this? Ang cute ng packaging. Sisi ko. It is loose powder. Thank you. Ano yung loose powder? Ano, para saan yung loose powder? Marunong ako mag-makeup, pero yung may mga ibang makeup na hindi ko alam. Katulad ano yung loose powder, pero thank you. Gagamitin ko to. I-search ko kung paano siya gamitin. Tapos, may letter siya sa ibabaw ng paper bag. So, malalaman ko pala kung kanina to. Oh! Happy Legality, Gian. I'm sorry, hindi ako naka-attend. Miss you. Ano to? Hindi ko mabasa. More birthdays to come. Mwah. Galing siya kay Franz. Thank you, Franz. Sayang, di nakaabot si Franz. Shotgun sa kay Franz. Thank you, Franz. Next. Ito. Kay Lisa ata to. Naalala ko. Kasi parang nung binigay niya sa akin to, naalala ko, wow, SM, parang kakabili mo lang. Tapos sabi niya, oo. So, feeling ko kay Lisa to. Lisa from Ama East Rizal. Wow! Ama East Rizal. Oh! It's... What's this? Joggers! Yay! Brown. Clothes ulit. Yay! Thank you, Lisa. Next! Kanino nang galing? Hindi ko alam kung wala siyang pangalan ulit. Mukhang ewan ko ang formal. Akala ko nung una bigay siya ng coordinators namin sa debut. Medyo nabuksan ko na rin siya. Yan. Sheesh. It's Chocomucho. Uy, alam, favorite ko yung Chocomucho. Thank you man kung kanino to. May pang crave. Ooh, what's this? Ano to? Mirror ata to. Tama ba? Look, pretty. Yay! Feeling ko mirror siya. And then, sa box, may rin. Keychain! Thank you! Tapos, tas may hair clip pa. Hair clip. Tapos, wow, package. May siya. Hair clip. Thank you. Tapos, meron pa. Uy, ang cute. Ang cute. Hairbrush. Thank you. Okay. Ano pa? May rin siya. Hourglass. Fuzzy. Paano tayo yun? Hindi siya pwede ipatayo. Di paano siya, Okay. Pantali to. Tapos ito yung hourglass. Kaya akala ko, sila, magkadikit. Ang cute na to. Fuzzy. Thank you. Thank you, Red. Ito na. Tapos, meron pa. Keychain ulit. Heart fuzzy shape keychain. Thank you. Wala na ba? Baka may missed ako. Wala na. Ito pa. May hair chain. Hair accessory. Thank you. Kung kanina naman to. Sayang, hindi siya pinangalanan. Hindi ko alam kung kanina siya nanggaling. Ay, may. Thank you. Next. This one. And this is walang name. Let's call it green box. Thank you. Green box. Green paper bag. Thank you. Ooh! Ay, perfume to. For sure, perfume to. Ah, candle. Ah, okay, mukha siyang perfume. Ooh. Hello, pero kanina ito nanggaling. Sayang. Hindi ko alam kung kanina ito nanggaling. Ooh! Panis. May picture pa. Sense? Ay, ang bango! Sa card pa lang naaamoy ko na. Scents that will take you somewhere. Soy-scented candles inspired by beautiful travel destination. 100% natural soy wax. Oh. Okay. Uy, ang bango. Uy. Woof. Love it. Okay. Uy. Paano ko siya buksan? Wala akong kamay. Ay, wala akong kuko. Yun. Oh, no. Nasira ako. Bala, nasirain ko na. Ooh. Luki, ang ganda ng candle. Hawaii. Pag inamoy ko ba ito, pupunta ako sa Hawaii. Oh no, nasira ako. Bango. Ito ba yung amoy ng Hawaii? Galing. Thank you. Scented soy wax candle. Ang bango. The scent of Hawaii. Thank you. Oops. Careful. Okay. Kanino kaya ito nang galing? Yan. Oh! Kung kanino man nang galing itong green paper bag, thank you. Amoy Hawaii. Next. This one. Yay, may pangalan na siya. Kay Tita Sally and family. Thank you. Ano to? Sabi niya, oo, magagamit ko sa school. Kasi alam niyang arts student ako. Ata. Yun ba yung sinabi niya? Nakalimutan ko. Okay. Unbox. Baka babasagin to. Or baka canvas. Ooh, interesting. Art therapy! Yes! Oh, tama nga ako, canvas. Oh. To sketchbook. Thank you, tita. Thank you po sa Gumba family. Alam niyo pong art student ako. Thank you. Yay. Lagay ko siya dito. Next! Punta tayo sa letters. Letters to, diba? Letters with feelings. Letters with money daw. This is from... Antilin Manlapaz. Tita Lai. Proxy. Classmate. Ano meaning proxy? This is from Atelin. Tita Lai. Okay. Our dearest Gian, happy 18th birthday. We may not see each other often, but I am so proud of the wonderful young woman you are becoming and all of your achievements so far. I wish you all the best with your studies and hope that all your wishes come true. Ate Cody, Ate Jody, and Kuya Rory, and Tito Ronnie also sent their best wishes and greetings. I hope you enjoy your party, and all of us here in Australia wish we could join you on your special day. See you in December. Love, Tita Lai. Aww. Thank you, Tita Lai. Thank you. Letter. Ang sweet naman. Oops. Next. This is from Tita Edna. Lola. Lola Edna. Parang tita lang kasi si Tita Edna. Okay. Happy birthday, Gian. God bless. We love you. From Tita Shika and Lola Edna. Thank you. Nasa Bacolod ata sila. Bacolod, layo. Pero nakakamiss. Next. This is from... Sino to? Tita Christy? Brooks. Okay. Hindi. Tita Yobs. This is from Tita Yobs. Happy birthday, Gian. Best wishes. May your dreams come true. From Tito Dan and Tita Diova Medil from Arizona, USA. Sheesh. Hi, Tita Yobs Medil from Arizona, USA. And Tito Dan. Thank you. So, mainit rin dun. Next. This is from Tita Malu. Tita Malu. Oh, haba. Okay. Happy 18th birthday, Gian. May you continue to be a follower of Jesus and a loving person as you already are. Take care of yourself always. Jesus loves you and cares for you. So lean and rest in God to know your wisdom that only comes from Him. God bless your next journey to adulthood. He will be there for you every step of the way. Love, Uncle Ruel and Tita Malu from San Francisco, California, USA. Yay! California, USA. Hi, Tita Malu and Uncle Ruel. Thank you. Thank you. Next. This is from Uncle Nono. Uncle Nono. Walang hirap pa sa akin. Hi. Hello, Gian. Ikinagagalak kong batiin na masagana na pakasaya at napakaraming biyaya sa iyong kaarawan. Panalangin ko na gabayan ka palagi ng ating dakilang Diyos sa araw-araw hanggang sa mga susunod na kabanata ng iyong buhay. May your dreams come true under your guidance of your beloved parents, especially God. Again, congratulations. Happy birthday, Uncle. Love, Uncle Nana. From Maryland, USA. Thank you, Uncle Nana. Tito Nana. Uncle Nana. Thank you. Next. This is from Tita Carol. Tita Carol. Gian, on this very special milestone of yours, we only have the best and the most heartfelt wishes for you. May it open the door to a bright future that awaits you. Enjoy this wonderful occasion. Lots of love and big birthday wishes from Ninang Carol and Ninong Bert. Ninong Bert. Thank you, Tita Carol and Ninong Bert. Thank you. Future awaits you from door. Thank you, Tita Carol. Next. This is from Tita Lola Tita Terry. Tita, di ba Lola? Okay. Tita Terry. Lola Terry. Lola Terry from Germany. Gian, sana ay matupad ang lahat ng iyong hiling at pangarap sa buhay. Maging masaya ka at huwag magpapatalo sa problema sa buhay. Manatiling matatag, maligayang kaarawan. From Lola Terry from Germany. Thank you, tita. This one. Go. Thank you. Next. Oh, this is from Kunya na to. Ninang Marites Aquino. Haba. Dear Gian, time really flies so fast. I still remember those days when you and your mom would visit us, and when I gave birth to Alessandro Marie, my youngest son, who is already 8 years old now. And when I saw your photos, I saw how beautiful you are at your age. You are an adorable and a jewel to your family. Wishing you an endless blessing and abundant opportunities to come your way. Continue dreaming and striving for the best, because you deserve only the best. Happy birthday, we dearly love you. Love, Ninang, Tess, and family. Thank you, Tita Tess. Oh, yeah, di ba nakita niya ako as a baby? Buhat-buhat niya pa ata ako as a baby, di ba? Ano ba? Binubuhat-buhat niya pa ako as a baby, di ba? Yeah. Thank you. Next. Okay, this is the last one. From Tita Ruby. Tita Ruby Mejos. Uy, ang ganda ng card. Panis. It's 3D. Oh. 3D card. Tapos may texture. Tapos may purse. Okay. Ooh! Okay. Okay, quote. Honor your father and your mother, so that you may live long in the land of the Lord. Your God, ay mali. Quote. Okay, ulit. Quote. Honor your father and your mother, so that you may live long in the land of the Lord. Your God is giving you. Exodus verse ano ito? Paano ulit magbasa nito? Chapter 20, verse 12. Okay. My warmest birthday greetings to you, Gian. Sorry for missing you on your birthday. For my Apo, he needs me. Anyway, may you have a very meaningful and enjoyable birthday. My prayer is that the Lord will bless you all aspects of your life in the year ahead. Enjoy your special day. Love, Tita Ruby. Thank you, Tita Ruby. It's okay na hindi ka nakapunta. I understand. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. Ito ko. Ito siya lahat. Nagsulat ng handwritten letters. Thank you. Next. Ano sunod ni? Bills? Okay. Next. Bills. It's bills time. Okay. This is from Tito Jaime. Thank you, Tito Jaime. And Tita Mayumi. Thank you, Tita Mayumi. This one. Kanino to? Kanino? Hindi. Wala siyang name. Pero I guess thank you. Thank you. And this is from Tita Michi and Ian Pituk. Our dearest Gian, a blessed 18th birthday to you. God bless you. Thank you. Next. This is from... Okay, wala rin siya name. Thank you. Yun lang. Thank you po sa 18 mga nag-participate sa 18 Blue Bills. Thank you! At isa doon kay Tito Noel daw. Thank you, Tito Noel and Tito Josim. Sa inyo daw yung walang name. Thank you. Okay. Gusto niyo ba tingnan yung aftermath? Sheesh. Ayan. Panis. Marami pa yan. Nandun pa sa... Ito yung kay Gio. Okay. Paano ko to yan? To everyone na nagbigay ng gifts and wishes or umattend man sa debut ko or hindi man makapunta. Thank you talaga sa lahat. And words cannot express how much I am grateful for you that you had the effort to buy me gifts, write me handwritten letters and bills. Thank you talaga guys. Thank you sa mga nag-participate. I will remember this very moment in my life. This will be the highlight of my life. Thank you. And that concludes our unboxing video. Bye! Meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay. Yun lang. Bye! This is my 18th debut unboxing video. My name is Gia Loretta. Signing off. And this concludes the unboxing video. Again, thank you sa mga pumunta ng debut ko yesterday. Thank you sa nagbate and thank you sa lahat. From my friends, from my family, and from my relatives.